Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everyone, depending on where you are watching from. Welcome back to this online presentation session. Thank you so much for joining and taking your time to watch this video until the end. My name is Rafael Ahmal Firmansyah. My student ID number is 2401031023. And in this presentation, I will be discussing a topic related to industrial electrical systems, particularly focusing on motor control and energy efficiency. The title of this presentation is Design of Star Delta Control, Work on Three-Phase Motor by This presentation is based on a scientific journal published in the Journal Impresi Indonesia, Volume 3, Number 5, May 2024, written by Muhdar Patabo and his research team from Politeknik Negeri Manado. Before we begin, I would like to emphasize that this topic is not only theoretical, but also very practical and widely applied in real industrial environment, such as factories, power plants, workshops, and manufacturing systems. Why this topic is important? In modern industry, electric motors play a very important role. Almost every industrial process depends on electrical motors in one way or another. For example, conveyor belts in factories, water pump in treatment plants, compressor in refrigeration system, fans, and blower in ventilation system. Among all types of motor, three-phase induction motors are the most commonly used due to their reliability, efficiency, relatively low cost. However, despite their advantage, three-phase induction motors have one critical issue, especially during startup, which is high inrush current. Current can cause several serious problems, such as sudden voltage drop in the electrical network, overheating of motor windings, mechanical stress on shaft and bearings, disturbance to other electrical equipment connected to the same power line. If this problem is not handled properly, it can reduce motor lifespan and increase maintenance costs. This is why motor starting methods such as the star delta control system become very important. The problem statement. When a three-phase induction motor is started directly using the direct online method, the motor draws a very large current from the power supply. This current surge happens because the rotor is initially stationary. The impedance of the motor is very low at startup. The motor behaves almost like a short circuit. As a As a result, the electrical system experiences instability. Therefore, the main problem addressed in this research is how can we reduce the starting current of a three-phase induction motor without sacrificing performance and reliability. The solution is a star delta control system. Star delta control system is one of the most effective and widely used solution in the star delta control system. The basic idea of the star delta method is very simple but powerful. At startup, the motor windings are connected in a star configuration, and each winding receives a lower voltage. The starting current is significantly reduced after the motor reaches sufficient speed. The winding connection is changed to delta. The motor operates at full voltage, normal torque, and power are achieved. This transition is controlled automatically using contactor. This is the contactor and a timer relay, making the system safe and reliable. And the objective of designing and implementing the star delta control circuit in this study include first, to reduce the surge current that occurs during motor startup, which help protect the motor and the electrical network. And the second object is to improve energy efficiency, especially during the starting phase, where energy loss is usually very high. The third object is to extend the operational lifespan of the motor by minimizing thermal and mechanical stress. Fourth, to maintain power system stability, ensuring that other equipment is not affected during motor startup. And finally, to enhance overall system reliability, which is very important in industrial environment where downtime can be very costly. uh, Three-phase induction motor is an electrical machine that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy through electromagnetic induction. It consists of two main parts. The first part is stator, which is the stationary part of the motor, and the rotor, which rotates. The stator contains three-phase windings arranged 120 degrees apart. When a three-phase AC voltage is applied, it creates a rotating magnetic field. This rotating magnetic field induces current in the rotor conductor, producing torque and causing the rotor rotate. One important characteristic of induction motor is that uh, the rotor never reaches synchronous speed. There is always a small difference between stator field speed and rotor speed, known as slip. Because of their contraction, induction motors are strong, durable, easy to maintain, and this makes them ideal for industrial use. Star delta connection is plain in this picture. In a star connection, each phase winding is connected to a common neutral point. This results lower phase voltage, lower starting current, lower starting torque, and in a delta connection, the windings are connected end-to-end in a closed loop. This provides full line voltage across each winding, higher torque, normal operating condition. The star delta system combines the advantage of both connection by using star during startup and delta during normal operation. System component and design. The star delta control system design in this research consists of several important components. There are a miniature circuit breaker for protection, AC contactor for switching star and delta connection, thermal overload relay or TOR for motor protection, timer delay relay to control the transition time, push button for start, stop and emergency stop, indicator lamps to show system status, control panel and wiring system. And each of every component is carefully selected and arranged to ensure safe operation and ease of maintenance. The working principle of start delta control in detail. When the system is powered on, the PCB supplies voltage to the control circuit. After pressing the start button, the start contactor is energized. The motor starts rotating slowly, the timer begins counting, and during this phase, the current is limited. The motor experiences less stress. After the preset time delay, the start contactor is deactivated. The delta contactor is activated. The motor runs at full speed. If an overload or a fault occurs, the thermal relay trips, the motor stops automatically, indicator lamps alert, the operator. This ensures both operationally safety and reliability. And and result and performance analysis of this three-phase control system is three-phase star delta control system is based on the implementation and observation. The star delta control system demonstrated several positive results. The starting current was significantly reduced, preventing voltage drops and electrical disturbance. The motor started smoothly without mechanical shock, and the transition from the star to delta occurred safely. This confirmed that the star delta method is suitable for medium power three-phase induction motors used in industrial application. And the conclusion of this article are in the star delta control circuit is a simple, cost-effective, and reliable solution for reducing starting current in three-phase induction motor. The system improves motor protection, increases energy efficiency, and extend motor lifespan, enhance system stability. Therefore, the star delta control system remains one of the best choices for industrial motor starting applications. So that's bring us to the end of this presentation. Thank you very much for watching and listening. I hope this presentation has given you a clear and practical understanding of star delta control system. If you have any questions, suggestion, or comments, please feel free to write them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you find this content useful. Thank you and see you in the next presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.